find out what C# version is used in your Visual Studio, go to Visual Studio and then View and select Terminal and type this line in the terminal. I'll put the details in the description, which is CSC hyphen space hyphen langversion colon and question mark, and click enter. It will display details about the available version of C Sharp, and the default here is 10, version 10, and also will show information if available about the latest versions and the preview. It's useful sometimes to verify what C# version are you using in your Visual Studio. For example, when using a code that would work, say, on the latest C# version, and once you implement it in your project, it won't work because your version doesn't match the version from which you got the code. Thanks. Please like, subscribe, and click the notifications button to help me make more videos like this.